In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar view in Airtable so you can see your records laid out on a calendar and manage your schedule visually. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. Once you're on the site, click Login and access the base you want to edit. Inside that base, select the table that contains the records you want to view on a calendar. Before you go any further, make sure your table has at least one date field. This is essential because Airtable needs a date to know where to place each record on the calendar. If you don't have one yet, you can add a date field to your table now. Now, look to the left sidebar where you'll see the Views section. This is where all your different ways of looking at your data live. Click Create New View, and from the drop-down list, select Calendar. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your new view. Enter something descriptive like Project Deadlines or Content Schedule, then click Create. Immediately after that, Airtable will ask you to choose the date field it should use for the calendar. Pick the one you set up earlier, and just like that, your records will appear on the calendar based on their dates. From here, you can click any calendar entry to view or edit its details in a pop-up window. Need to reschedule something? No problem. Just drag and drop a record to a different date and Airtable updates it instantly. You can also use the navigation controls at the top to switch between month, week, or day views, making it easy to browse your schedule at whatever level of detail you need. And don't worry about saving. Airtable saves your changes automatically as you go. Before you wrap up, here are a few tips to get the most out of your calendar view. Add due dates, event dates, or deadlines to keep your records organized and timely. Use single select fields with color-coded options, like red for urgent or green for complete, so you can spot priorities at a glance. You can also apply filters to show only specific projects, teams, or event types, keeping your calendar clean and focused. Calendar views are incredibly useful for content planning, project management, and event tracking. So once you set yours up, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.